In today's video, I'm going to teach you the basics of using interactions and animations in Webflow. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps into web design or an experienced developer looking to refine your interactive skills, mastering these basics is key to creating engaging and dynamic websites. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to the Webflow site. If you're not already familiar, Webflow is a fantastic visual website builder that allows you to create custom websites without needing to know how to code. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it to sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Webflow dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for managing all your Webflow projects. From here, you can do everything from creating new projects to managing existing ones. Now, look over your current projects. Click on the project you'd like to work with today. Once you're inside your chosen project, you'll want to navigate to the canvas where you can see the full layout and elements of your website. This is where the magic happens. Next, click on any element within your project that you wish to animate or add interactions to. This could be a button, an image, or any other design component. Selecting an element is the first step in unlocking the power of interactions. With your element selected, look towards the upper right corner to locate the Interactions panel. This panel is going to be your best friend as we move forward. Click on it, and a new world of creative possibilities will open up. Inside the Interactions panel, you'll find options for adding both page-triggered animations and element-triggered animations. Let's break these down. Page triggers allow you to apply animations that will occur based on actions a user takes with the page, such as scrolling or loading. On the other hand, element triggers let you tie interactions to specific elements. This means that hovering over a button or clicking an image could trigger a specific animation. Choose whichever trigger suits your design goals. If you'd like an animation to activate when the entire page loads, go with the page trigger. Alternatively, if you want something to happen when a visitor interacts with a particular element, select the element trigger. And there you have it, the foundational steps to using interactions and creating animations in Webflow. These tools can transform a static website into a vibrant digital experience that captures and maintains your audience's attention. Experiment with different triggers and animations to see what works best for your project. Happy designing!